when we look around, we can observe, yes, things, right? So okay, even in our lower classes, okay, we would have, yeah, okay, so நம்ம வந்து என்ன பண்ணிருக்கலாம், okay, categorize பண்ணிருப்போம் இல்லையா? Okay, living things, non living things. Can you all remember this, children? அம்மாவா? Yes, living things, non living things அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நேம் பண்ணிருப்போம், right? Okay, living things அப்படின்றது தான், okay, we are mentioning this as a, okay, as an biotic, okay, as a biotic factor. And then, okay, another one, yeah, which are called as the non-living thing, or called as abiotic factors, okay, biotic and abiotic factors, yeah. And then, so we are going to learn about, okay, so இப்போ இந்த living thing அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம்னு வச்சுப்போம், okay. So for example, okay, உங்ககிட்ட வந்து ஒரு bird இருக்கு, okay everyone, so ஒரு bird பாக்குறீங்க, and on the other hand, yes, there is a stone. இத, okay, எதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு living thing, எது non living thing அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம்? எது living thing, children? Yes, which one will be the living thing or a biotic factor? Biotic factor. I want everyone to respond. Yes, it's very simple, right? எது வந்து living thing? எது living thing?
Bird, ma'am.
Yeah, bird.
Animals.
Right? Okay, yeah, bird, animals, okay, bird, yeah, okay. And then, so stones வந்து living thing கிடையாது, right? So அப்படின்னா என்னது, okay, நம்ம living thing consider பண்றோம்னா, it should have the characteristic features, okay children, it should have the characteristic features for the, okay, yes, so special, yeah, so இது வந்து பார்த்தோம்னா, okay, it should have so many special things, okay, so which is not, okay, which are not present in the abiotic factors, okay. So ஒரு previous year question எப்படி கேட்டிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, yeah, list the characteristic features அப்படின்னே வந்து ஒரு 3 mark questions இருந்தது, okay, yeah children, yes. So இப்போ வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா everyone?
Yes,
okay, yes, I want the confirmation from each one of you. Yes, yeah, Nandana, Nabila, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, very good, yeah, yes. Okay, children. So now, yeah, so the characteristics of it, okay, yeah, living things, yeah. So the first one will be called as the levels of the organization, yeah, and then made up of cells, and then response to stimuli, grow and develop, obtain and uses energy, okay. So இது வந்து நீங்க one by one point பண்ணணும், okay, இப்போ நோட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றது கிடையாது, okay, it will be there in the app. So இது வந்து நம்ம one by one நம்ம learn பண்ண போறோம், சரியா? And then it should have the ability to reproduce, okay, yes. So I will repeat levels of the organization, everyone, okay, levels of the organization அப்படின்னா என்னன்றது, okay, I will tell you. And next to that, it is the, okay, made up of a cells, yes, made up of a cells, and respond to stimuli, yeah, respond to stimuli, grow and develop, it has to grow, and then development has to be there, and then obtain and uses the energy, and it should, okay, yes, it should have the ability to reproduce, okay, it should has the ability to reproduce. So can we start from the first one? First one வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணலாமா? ஓகே, இப்போ நம்ம என்ன லேர்ன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்? Characteristic features of a living thing. So we are considering as, okay, so some birds or animals, microorganisms, human being, okay, and so they are the living things, right? And why not the stone, right? Okay, why not the other, yes, okay, soil or anything? Because the living thing should have some characteristic features, okay children. So we're going to learn it, okay, one by one. So for example, green plants, yeah, so the green plants, okay, so for the plants we will say, okay, they are green in color, so that they are living, okay. But even if the non-green plants will also be living thing. And next to that, so if okay, if a particular person, so there is no movement, okay, movement illa appadina ungala vandu the living thing ah consider panna matom, right? But okay, so ipo nama thoongirappo paathom appadina there will be some of the movements inside our body, right? So that, okay, and we are going to, so we have to consider these things, okay, these following, okay, characteristic features, okay. So clear everyone? Yeah, we are going to learn about these characteristic features one by one, okay, in this class. So can we start, children? Okay, yeah, very good, okay. And yes, we can move on to the, yeah, the first, okay, characteristic feature, which is called as, so we have discussed something called they should be made up of cells, and then they should be the levels of organization, right? Levels of organization. So we are going to see this. So okay, for this, so even, okay, on the 9th grade la you would have learned about the organism, right everyone? So organism. So chessamanne you would have discussed about cells, right? Okay, cells pati endha chapter la discuss pannom everyone? Ninth grade la. Yeah.
The fundamental unit of
Fundamental unit of
Very good. Well done. Okay. So we, okay, you would have learned about the fundamental unit of, okay, life. Yeah. And yes, here, so it will be, yes, the cells, right? Okay, cells, right? Okay. And then the cells will form the tissues. Okay. And next to, so first biology chapter will be fundamental unit of life. நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்த்தோம்னா டிஷ்யூஸ், ரைட்? ஓகே, இப்போ இங்க இருந்து பார்ப்போம். ஸோ ஓகே, நம்ம இப்போ ஒரு ஆர்கானிசம்ஸ் பார்க்குறோம்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, ஆர்கானிசம். யா, ஓகே, மீனிங் ஆஃப் த ஆர்கானிசம் இஸ் எனி ஒன் ஆஃப் யூ? வாட் இஸ் த மீனிங் ஆஃப் த ஆர்கானிசம்? யா சில்ட்ரன், மீனிங் ஆஃப் ஆர்கானிசம். எஸ், எஸ்,
species, ma'am.
எஸ். Okay, it will start with yes. Any one of you? Any guess? Any guess?
living thing.
Yes, exactly. Okay, the living thing. Yes, okay, everyone. Organism means the living thing. Okay, the living thing. Clear, everyone? Organism means it's the living thing. Okay, so yes, for example, just imagine. So there is a human being. Okay, there is a human being. Yeah, and so do we have cells, everyone? In our body, do we have a cells? Do we have cells? Hmm?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So yes, where the cells are present? Yes, in our body, where the cells will be.
everywhere, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, that's the okay, correct answer. Yes, very good. So the human body, okay, we have the human body. We may be looking like a human being, right? Or otherwise, we can take any okay animals or plants. It may be looking like a leaf, right? Okay, or plant, mari irukkalam. But it is made up of cells. Okay, everyone, this is very much important. Yeah, made up of cells. Yeah, made up of cells. Okay, children, made up of cells. We may be looking like an organism, but we are all made up of cells. Okay, so for example, yeah, so look at this image. So here there is an animal, right? Okay, this animal will have many systems in our body. Okay, so the animal will have many systems in our body. Okay, so in their body. And then, so for example, yes, what is the name of the system, everyone? What is the name of the system? Yeah, yes.
Internal ones.
Okay, internal. Yes, okay. So it will start with D.
digestive
Digestive. Yes, very good. Well done. So it's the digestive system. Okay, digestive system. Okay, in this digestive system, because we have many systems. Yeah, in this okay particular chapter, we are going to discuss about many okay systems in our body. Okay, everyone. Yeah. So the life process chapter will comprises of many systems in our body and then in our plants. Okay, and next to that, so we have a okay yes many systems, right? So it's a digestive system. In the digestive system, okay, a particular part. Okay, what is the name of the organ, everyone? Yes, it will
kidney,
start with yes. Yeah, yes, Pratyush.
Stomach, ma'am.
stomach,
Stomach. Yeah, good. Okay, that's the stomach. Yeah. Okay, so part அப்படின்றப்போ so இப்போ பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா, so we have the stomach and stomach will have a particular part. So this particular part is mentioned as the organ. Okay, organ. So in the organ yeah, if we okay is enlarge this particular part and view this, okay, ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு part மட்டும் நம்ம மைக்ரோஸ்கோப்ல view பண்றோம்னா we can find many okay cells. Yes, okay, everyone. So the group of cells are called as a tissue, and then finally it ends in the cells. It ends in the cells. Okay, and it is a characteristic feature of the living thing. Okay, so we are discussing about what are all the characteristic feature of a living thing. Yeah, children. Okay, we are discussing about what are all the living okay things characteristic feature. First one is they should be made up of cells. Okay, so any doubts of the made up of cells, children? Any doubts of the made up of cells? Purinjada, everyone? Yeah. Okay,
Yes,
and one
ma'am.
more thing is, yeah, levels of the organization. Okay, levels of organization. Levels of organization. Levels of organization means, yeah, so the cells okay, the cells together will form tissues. Tissues all the system in a body will form an organism. This is called as levels of organization. Okay, so this is going to be called as cellular level. Okay, cellular level. And this is going to be called as tissue level. Okay, tissue level. And this is going to be called as organ level, system level. Clear, everyone? So any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So I've done. Okay, yes, so the levels of organization, and then okay, yes, how an organism is made up of cells. Okay, and next to that, so we are going to discuss about the definition of the life process. Okay, life process, yeah. And then so we have learned there are two types of the okay categories in the environment. One will be the living thing and another one will be non-living thing, right? So the living thing, okay, what is the difference, everyone? Okay, edukku life irukku, everyone? Yeah, for the non-living thing or a living thing?
Living
Yes,
thing. Living.
living thing. Okay,
Living
so
thing.
everyone should respond. Okay, yes, very good. So okay, only the living thing, right? Okay, yeah, in order to survive, survive, yeah, it has to do some of the functions. Okay, so in order to survive, it has so that it can live. Okay, children, so clear அது புரிஞ்சுதா everyone? Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay, good.
Can you
Yeah.
repeat
So
it
the
again?
yeah, S Nabila.
Can you repeat it again, ma'am? Because I could not
Yeah.
hear your voice break. It broke, ma'am.
Okay. 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 Yeah. So is my voice audible now, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. In order to live, yeah. Okay. So the organism has to live, right? So to live, it has to perform some of the functions. These functions are called as life process. Okay. For example, yeah, human has to live, right? The human being has to live. Yeah. Okay. In order, yes. Am I audible, everyone?
I'm suddenly stucking, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Now, yeah, can you all hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay, everyone. Yes. So let's continue the class. Okay. So the life process. So everyone knows about the term life process, right, everyone? Mava, okay. So life process, yes. So okay, to live, yeah. So living organism, they have to do some of the functions so that okay, it can live. They are the life processes. Okay, they are the life processes. And then so the life process are of okay many types. Yeah, as we discussed earlier, they should be the movement. Okay, they should be the movement. Transportation. Okay, so transportation அப்படின்னா something related to so இப்போ animalsல பார்த்தோம்னா it is a blood. Okay, and in plantsல பார்த்தோம்னா xylem பத்தி படிச்சிருக்கோமா, right? Yeah, even in our 9th grade. And then respiration, nutrition, okay, growth, excretion, okay, control and coordination, and then it should have the ability to reproduce. Okay, these all the things are called as the life process. Okay, life processes.
Book a free demo class and join Pumpa to make your children topper.